Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save Metatrader 5 chart settings and Strategy Tester default chart settings. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see your trading dashboard with all your charts displayed, you'll want to locate the specific chart that contains the settings and Strategy Tester configurations you wish to save. This is important because Metatrader 5 allows you to customize various elements like timeframes, indicators, colors, and grid settings, and saving these as a template means you won't have to reconfigure everything from scratch each time you open a new chart. Now, once you've identified the chart with your desired settings, go ahead and right-click directly on that chart. This action will bring up a context menu with several options related to chart management and customization. These options give you control over how your chart behaves and appears, making it easier to work with your preferred trading setup. From the context menu that appears, look for and click on Templates. This option is specifically designed for managing chart templates in Metatrader 5. Templates are essentially saved configurations that store all your chart settings, including technical indicators, drawing tools, colors, and other visual preferences. By using templates, you can quickly apply your favorite chart setup to any new chart without manually adjusting each setting individually. After clicking on Templates, you'll see another submenu appear with additional template-related options. From this submenu, click on Save Template. This action tells Metatrader 5 that you want to create a new template file based on your current chart's configuration. It's a straightforward way to preserve your work and ensure consistency across multiple charts or trading sessions. A dialog box will now appear asking you to provide a name for your template. In the template name field, input a descriptive name that will help you easily identify this template later. For example, you might name it something like My Strategy Setup or Scalping Chart Config, depending on what the chart is used for. Choosing a clear and memorable name is helpful, especially if you plan to create multiple templates for different trading strategies or time frames. Once you've entered your template name, click the Save button. Metatrader 5 will now save all your chart settings, including indicators, colors, and strategy tester configurations, into this template file. This means that whenever you want to apply these exact settings to another chart, you can simply load this template and all your preferences will be applied instantly. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Metatrader 5 chart settings and Strategy Tester default chart settings as a template, making it easy to maintain consistency across your trading workspace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.